Hello and welcome towards being a real-world penetration tester. In this course, I have used virtual machines in order to test the vulnerabilities and exploit. So these are the programs and the virtual machines: VMware, Kali Linux, Windows XP or Windows 2008 server, and Metasploitable too. All these programs must be installed in order to start our test. So at first, you need to install VMware or VirtualBox depending upon your choice, but I recommend to use VMware Workstation Player as this is free for home use. After downloading the VMware player, you can install it on your computer system, and the second virtual machine we need to download is the OWASPbwa applications. We will download these and install it to test the WA application vulnerabilities. So basically, all these are for creating our own virtual penetration testing lab in which we will practice, perform vulnerability assessment, exploit and post exploitations as well. So first, I will start with setting up broken WA applications. You can download it from sourceforge.net. I have downloaded it for my own. Go to the downloaded folder where you extracted this, as it comes in compressed format. Simply open up. Here you will find several files with the same name, but you have to distinguish between all of them. So this is the configuration file that we need to start on virtual machine. That is VMware virtual machine configuration file. You can distinguish by icon and with the file type. Okay, simply right click this one. Open with VMware player. This option comes when you install VMware player on your computer system or VirtualBox. I will simply click open with VMware player and it will be starting up. After doing the same, you do not need to do anything. It will show you the IP address on which it binds for itself so that you can access by going to browser. Okay, now as you can see, everything is started on this IP address. Now you can log in by typing root as the username and OWASPbwa as the password. This is written on your screen. Now we will go to our browser, type the IP address, and the OWASPbwa applications are ready for being exploited. So all these are the vulnerable applications we can attack and test for security weaknesses. So by this way you can install OWASPbwa applications. Now the next time whenever you start the VMware player, you will see a link of the OWASP virtual machine that you created. And this is the RAM size that is allocated by default. If you want, you can increase depending upon your system memory and going through the edit virtual machine settings. But it is recommended to leave it as it is. Thank you.